Welcome back, explorers. How does it feel to immerse yourself in the magical world of 20 million LED lights? I have recently visited Illumi, a magical universe of lights and multimedia just next to Marina Bay Sands. It is the world's largest light, sound and multimedia show of its kind. There are 9 different worlds to explore, with lifelike animatronics and thousands of installations brought to life with 20 million LED lights, perfect for your Instagram and TikTok posts. Walking through the tunnel of colors, we'll see the world's tallest tree of lights, standing at 47 meters tall or the height of 5 Himalayas stacked together. The Jurassic Kingdom transport us into the Lost World and into the stunning enchanted maple trees. And my favorite, the Wall of Lights. Tickets can be purchased from their official website. Please like, follow and subscribe for more videos of my explorations.